So I'm back at work after 2 weeks off. We've got this Renault Master here. Have a look how filthy these injector bolts are. So there you go. Look at that. Look at that rusty injector bolt there. So I've got to try and get that out, the little filthy animal. And I've got to try and get that injector out as well. Wish us luck. I haven't broke it. Right, so we've got this needle gun. Dead good that. We've got the air chisel. We've got the laser tools, air chisel attachment on the Mac Tools extractors. Do you know what, right? You can't just use one tool manufacturer. It's impossible to do this job with one. So yeah, down there, Twig. Down there, right down in there. Bring it this side. Turn it. There, right, and then we'll zoom in. That way a bit. I don't think you can see. You need a torch on. There's a torch. Oh, dropped everything, man. There. Right, watch this. Now we come out from the job and show them. Look at that. Look at that. That's perfect, that. That is how you get your seized injector bolts out. About £1,000 worth of gear just to get one little Torx 30 out.
I don't know.
It's ridiculous.
It's a good job because you've got another one to do there.
I can't get it off. Can't get it off. There we go. Right, go on, let me crack on. Oh, don't do that. I need that bit to turn down there. Hold the camera, mate. There we go, lad. There we go. Oh, torch just fell. So do you know what we're doing?
Moving the injector so then it unseizes itself.
So we're taking the top off so then we can get the pneumatic tool on top of it and shock it out. Come on. This is knackered anyway. Look. It's all rotted through there. Don't matter about losing the springs. Usually you have to be so careful not to lose all these bits here, because if you do, oh, it's all calibrated. But anyway, I'm not bothered about that. It's this bit I need to get to here. So we need to get the wire brush around this thread, and then what we can do is we can get the tool and vibrate it out. So if you haven't seen one of these before, you need one of these now. So what I've done, got over to the parts tool shelf over there. And okay?
Yep.
And now I've got this pneumatic injector thingy. Watch this. Oh, right. Seen it move? Seen it move down here? What we've got to do, because we've got all the liquids and fluids and everything.
Yeah.
We need to get all the liquids and contaminants out of the way, because when the injector comes out now, what we don't want to do is drop all that down into the cylinder. You ready?
Yeah.
And there you go.
That's absolutely disgusting.
Yeah, but look how nice it is to get it out. So this injector was leaking. If you zoom out a bit, right, this injector was leaking in the body here. And there you go. Nice. Right, so yes, as you can see, there is no injector washer on the end. It's completely seized in. So what we do, we get this, screw it tight, And... oh no. And it don't come out. Oh no. Oh no.
Not that good after all.
No, it's not that good, is it, lad? Right, well, I've got to get... oh, the state of that. You're seeing it down there. Ah. There you go. I'm gonna get that out of there.
Yeah, but don't hold it down.
Come on, come on. Get in there. Oh, look at that. Got it. You filthy animal. Look at you, you dirty dog. Right, that's there. Oh, needs me answer the phone. Then I went and got this tool and put it down there. And now that's shiny, shiny. Look out of my way. That's shiny, shiny. Now I can get my new injector in.